Best Beginner Cruiser Motorcycle Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220. In the diverse world of cruiser motorcycles, the Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220 emerges as a versatile and approachable choice for novice riders seeking to embrace the laid-back allure of cruising. With its distinctive design, user-friendly features, and a balance of power and comfort, the Avenger Cruise 220 stands out as the best beginner cruiser motorcycle. In this exploration, we delve into the characteristics that make the Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220 the ideal choice for beginners, offering a seamless entry into the cruiser lifestyle. Distinctive cruiser styling. The Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220 immediately catches the eye with its distinctive cruiser styling that embodies the spirit of leisurely riding. The bike's classic cruiser silhouette, complete with a relaxed riding position, teardrop fuel tank, and wide handlebars, pays homage to the timeless aesthetics of cruisers. The Avenger Cruise 220's design strikes a balance between a nostalgic nod to cruising heritage and a modern touch, creating an appealing visual package that resonates with riders entering the world of cruising. Bajaj's commitment to distinctive cruiser styling in the Avenger Cruise 220 reflects the brand's understanding of the importance of aesthetics in the cruiser segment and its role in attracting beginners to the world of motorcycling. Manageable power for early riders. Powering the Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220 is a 220 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that provides a balanced mix of performance and approachability. The engine's power delivery is smooth and controllable, making it an ideal companion for novice riders. The manageable power output ensures that beginners can experience the joy of cruising without feeling overwhelmed, allowing them to build confidence gradually. The Avenger Cruise 220's engine strikes a harmonious balance between providing sufficient power for a cruiser experience and being accessible for those still refining their riding skills. Bajaj's focus on offering manageable power in the Avenger Cruise 220 aligns with the brand's commitment to creating motorcycles that cater to the needs of novice riders, ensuring a positive and confidence-building entry into the cruiser lifestyle. Comfortable riding ergonomics. True to the cruiser philosophy, the Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220 prioritizes rider comfort with its ergonomic design. The bike features a laid-back riding posture, mid-set foot pegs, and a spacious seat, allowing riders to adopt a relaxed position for extended journeys. The comfortable riding ergonomics make the Avenger Cruise 220 suitable for leisurely rides, city cruising, and longer trips alike. Novice riders can appreciate the importance of comfort, especially in the early stages of their motorcycling journey, and the Avenger Cruise 220 addresses this need effectively. Bajaj's attention to comfortable riding ergonomics in the Avenger Cruise 220 reflects the brand's commitment to providing riders with a cruiser that prioritizes both style and rider well-being during extended cruising sessions. User-friendly features for seamless riding. The Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220 is equipped with a range of user-friendly features designed to enhance the overall riding experience for beginners. From the responsive throttle to the smooth clutch engagement, every aspect of the bike is crafted to make the learning curve more gradual and enjoyable. Additionally, the Avenger Cruise 220 may come with modern conveniences such as a clear instrument panel, ensuring that beginners have access to essential information while on the road. These user-friendly features contribute to a seamless and enjoyable introduction to cruiser riding. The inclusion of user-friendly features in the Avenger Cruise 220 underscores Bajaj's commitment to providing entry-level riders with a cruiser that is not only stylish but also intuitive and accommodating. Efficient cruising performance. The Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220 excels in providing efficient cruising performance, making it an ideal choice for riders who appreciate the economic aspect of motorcycling. The bike's efficient engine design and Bajaj's engineering expertise contribute to its economic fuel consumption, allowing riders to cover significant distances on a single tank. The focus on efficient cruising performance aligns with the practical demands of daily commuting and leisurely rides, providing beginners with a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. Bajaj's emphasis on efficient cruising performance in the Avenger Cruise 220 reflects the brand's commitment to sustainability and aligns with the evolving expectations of eco-conscious beginners.